So Google just dropped a new tool with a name that sounds more like a tiny fruit than a piece of tech, and it is absolutely taking over social media. It's called Nano Banana. And no, it's not something you eat, but it might just change the way you edit photos forever. Let's get into it and break down what this thing is, why it's blowing up, and what it really means for all of us.
All right, so first things first, what on earth is a nano banana? I mean, the name itself is super catchy, a little bit weird, and you're definitely not going to forget it. It's actually the unofficial nickname for Google's brand new AI image editor. The official name is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, but let's be real, Nano Banana is way more fun to say.
Okay, so here's the deal. Nano Banana is an AI image editor that lives right inside the Google Gemini app. And the whole point of it is just super simple. Instead of messing around with complicated tools, confusing layers, and tricky masks, you just talk to it. You tell the AI what you want to change using plain English, you type a command, and it does all the hard work for you.
So we get the basic idea. But you might be thinking, hey, there are a million AI editors out there already. So what's the big deal with this one? Why is Nano Banana the one turning heads? Well, it really comes down to a few key features that are honestly total game changers. Here are the 5 big ones. First up is likeness preservation. And this is a big deal, you guys. It means if you edit a photo of yourself over and over, it still actually looks like you. So many other AI tools completely fail at this. Then, of course, you've got the natural language editing at its heart. But beyond that, it can blend multiple pictures, transfer artistic styles from one image to another. It's super fast. And this is important. It has a built-in, invisible watermark called Synth ID to let people know an image was generated with AI.
To really get what a huge leap this is, you gotta think back to the old way of doing things. For decades, photo editing meant learning a program like Photoshop. I mean, it's a whole world of complex layers, selection tools, and a massive learning curve. Nano Banana basically throws all of that out the window. It replaces all that complexity with a single text box. A process that could take hours now takes just a few seconds.
The simplicity is it's stunning, really. You don't have to go find a picture of Paris, spend ages carefully cutting yourself out of your photo, and then struggle to make the lighting match. You just type a sentence, "Put me in Paris at night," and boom, suddenly the Eiffel Tower is sparkling behind you. That's what makes it so powerful and so accessible to literally anyone.
You know, when you have a tool this easy and this powerful, it's gonna get some buzz. But Nano Banana didn't just get buzz, it went completely viral. So how did a piece of tech become a full-blown social media trend? Well, it all started with something pretty simple.
The spark that lit this whole fire wasn't some crazy, complex editing project. Nope, it was something much more fun and shareable. People just started making avatars of themselves.
And it wasn't just any avatars. A very specific style just caught on. These quirky, cool-looking, toy-like 3D characters that looked like they were made by a professional, but were actually generated in just a couple of seconds. Once people started sharing these creations on social media, the trend just exploded. It was like a wildfire. It jumped way beyond the usual tech circles, and suddenly these little avatars were popping up on profiles all over the world.
And when you break it down, it was the perfect recipe for going viral. The tool is so easy that literally anyone can use it. It gives you these incredible, professional-looking results almost instantly. And the final product is just perfect for sharing. The trend got so big that, get this, even politicians in India started posting their own Nano Banana avatars to try and connect with voters.
Okay, so with all this hype, we have to take a step back and be real for a second. Like any new technology, especially in the world of AI, it is not perfect. Not yet, anyway. There are some real limitations you should know about before you jump in expecting flawless results every single time.
So here's what you might run into. You might notice that small details like hands or maybe text in the background can look a little funky. The AI is still figuring out how to nail realistic lighting and shadows every time. And remember, the AI isn't a mind reader. If your prompt is too vague, you're probably going to get some pretty unpredictable results. On the practical side of things, just keep in mind there might be limits for free users, and some of the really advanced features could eventually be locked behind a subscription.
So yeah, it's not perfect. But even with those little quirks, the potential here is just massive. So let's shift gears and talk about how you can actually get your hands on this thing right now, and then think about the bigger question this tech raises for all of us.
All right, if you're itching to try this yourself, good news. It could not be easier. First, just download the official Gemini app. Once you're in,
find the image editing section and just pick a photo from your camera roll. Then, type in what you want to do, something like change the background to a beach at sunset. And in just a few seconds, you'll have a brand new image ready to save or share. It's really that simple.
And all of this brings us to the big, final question. We're looking at a tool that's powerful, incredibly fast, and so easy to use it's almost effortless. It does things that used to require expensive software and honestly years of training. So, what do you think? Is Nano Banana just a fun trend that'll fade away? Or is this the beginning of the end for complicated programs like Photoshop, at least for the average person? It feels like the future is arriving a lot faster than any of us expected.